Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rainbow donuts. Start by gathering flour, sugar, eggs, milk, baking powder, butter, and gel food coloring in primary shades. Plan a simple glaze and sprinkles for topping. Use room temperature ingredients for even batter and divide batter into small bowls to color. Preheat oven or fryer as needed and prepare pans or oil while you mix. Chill the batter briefly to set colors before frying or baking. Now we focus on batter texture and color balance to keep donuts soft and vibrant. Whisk dry ingredients, then add wet ones slowly to avoid overmixing. Split batter into 6 bowls for a full rainbow and add gel color a drop at a time until desired shade appears. Pipe rings or dollops gently to avoid air pockets and tap pans to release bubbles before baking or frying. Use a low speed and short pulses when mixing to protect air and texture. Glaze makes the rainbow pop and adds moisture to every bite, so prepare it thin enough to drip. Mix powdered sugar with milk, a touch of vanilla, and a teaspoon of lemon juice for brightness. Dip cooled donuts quickly and return to rack to set. Add sprinkles or crushed cereal immediately so they stick, and store finished donuts in an airtight container for up to 2 days. Serve slightly warm for the best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.